Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. If you do not know by now, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated online premium educational platform that is available today. And at TTG, results matter. And because they matter, we have one simple goal: help you to learn, trade, and profit. If you guys are new, make sure you like and share this video. Most importantly, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free, where myself, other TTG Pro Trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons that can help you guys become better traders. But how do you know you can listen or should listen to any of the stuff I share with you on these lives? Guys, I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I began my trading career working at a fund in New York City, 2007, my first job out of college. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, the stock market crash. But during that time, I actually went on to receive one of my firm's Trader of the Year awards. But none of that was possible because they didn't let me until they put me through an educational training program. I had access to some of the top trading tools, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what the TTG platform is based on here now today. Guys, what a day today. Seriously, this is getting ridiculous. Okay. Are you not entertained yet? This is getting a little ridiculous. Okay. I'm going to start this live stream off with like a 15, 20-minute Q&A. We're going to give some time for people to log on. You can ask me whatever questions you want. I'm here to help. But then we're going to be discussing how to make money trading stocks and options using the volatility that we are experiencing. And as part of that lesson, I'm going to break down for you my 2 winning trades today, which are both swing trades. First was a Google call option that we talked about here last night on the live stream. Good today for a 78% gain. And then I jumped into SPY options that are already good for a 22% gain. Profits already off the table, still holding some, looking for follow through tomorrow. I'll walk you guys through my entire trade game plan. We talked about this yesterday. If you were on my live stream yesterday, I told you yesterday, I think the markets are going to move higher today. And boy, did they ever. Very strong moves across the board. SPY, Dow, NASDAQ. We've called this to a T. All you guys have to do is go back and watch all of my live streams for the entire last month and a half. We have called this price action in the overall markets literally to a T. We have not missed yet on this price action in the overall markets, and we continue to ride this wave of momentum and volatility to make money and put profits in our pockets. And then last but certainly not least, I am going to walk you through the entire TTG platform towards the end. I'll show you everything you get access to because True Trading Group is a platform. You're not just getting trade alerts and courses with True Trading Group. You're getting tools and resources that successful traders use day in and day out, all included with your membership at no additional cost. So for those that are interested, I'll show you guys that later on the live stream. Okay, so now what I need you all to do is start typing any questions you have in chat. We're going to start that Q&A. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. The only thing that's stupid is not asking the question that you have. So let's go ahead right now, folks, and begin that Q&A. All right. What's up? What do you guys have for me today? I'm in a good mood. What do you guys got for me? Let's do this. Mike said it last night at the SPY opens at 437 at the open, and he said he has a feeling it will from previous actions. He will jump on Google. And Victor, boy, did we ever, brother. 78% gain on those Google call options. We'll talk all about that later on the live stream. Big win for us today. Congratulations, everyone that capitalized on that. I told you guys yesterday that was the trade game plan. It came to fruition beautifully today. Congrats, everybody that nailed it. How do you take tiered profits if you have a hard stop loss set up? Okay, so Memphis. So I guess what you're referring to is your trading platform will not let you sell if you have a hard stop loss in place. The reason for that is because let's say you own 100 shares of anything. If you set a stop loss for 100 shares, your platform is reading that as a 100 share sell order. So if you also go to take profit, let's say on 50 shares, your platform is going to read that as 2 sell orders, one for 100 shares, one for 50, but you only own 100. So that's why they're not going to let you set the 2 orders at the same time. You could use what's called an OCO, which means one cancels the other. That's a specific type of order that will allow you to set a stop loss and a take profit. And when one of them triggers, the other one instantly cancels. I only suggest you use that type of price, that type of order, if you are following that trade and managing it manually. Because if you do, let's say you own 100 shares and you take profit for 50 shares, your stop loss will cancel. So you will have no stop loss in place. So if the stock does go down, you have no protection to the downside with the stop loss. So it's not something that I recommend someone that is not paying attention, or if you're at work or something, I wouldn't recommend using an OCO unless it's for your entire position. If you own 100 shares and you want to set an OCO to take profit for 100 and to stop out for 100, that's different. But if you want to tier out, you can't use, I wouldn't recommend using an OCO. So when the time comes that you're ready to take profit, you got to cancel your stop loss, take your profit, and then reset your stop loss. SNDL, let's pull up a chart. I don't even know what the news is. I have not looked at SNDL in quite a while. Oh, look at that. Nice little move. I hate SNDL. I think it's a complete garbage company. I'm not really interested in this company at all. So even though the stock is up right now, I don't think it will last. The stock does not hold its gains. I fully expect this stock, maybe if it moves a little bit higher tomorrow, I would expect it to eventually fade itself back down. I don't like Sundial. I know it's a big focal point for a lot of different people on social media. I don't like the company. I don't think it's a good quality company. There's a lot of other cannabis related names that are 100 times better companies, in my opinion. I have no plans on ever owning Sundial, nor do I really have plans on trading it. I don't usually trade stocks that are this cheap. This stock is well under $1, 76 cents right now. It was a 60-cent stock before the close. I typically don't trade stocks that are that cheap. So this is not something that I'm going to be trading. With some news and the stock's getting some action today, maybe you see a little bit of a push tomorrow to 80, 85 cents, but I wouldn't expect too much out of this. The stock is not really known for holding its gains. It's not really a good quality company. It's not something that I personally would like to own for the long term. If you want to trade it, go for it, but it's not something I plan on owning. Had my best trading day ever and best week so far, thanks to what I'm learning. Way to go, Ken. Ken Gaffney, congratulations, my man. Great job. Best day ever, best week ever. Thanks to the education that you're learning inside of True Trading Group. Congratulations, Ken. Let's keep that momentum going, brother. Any recommendations for a trading platform? Yeah, Sandy. Any of the major brokers are fine. E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab, or TD Ameritrade, I should say. Charles Schwab, Webull, all those platforms are fine. They're free commission trading. So if you're new, I would recommend those. If you're an experienced trader, which if you're asking me this question, most likely you're not, I use Lightspeed. Lightspeed still does charge commissions, but they have, in my opinion, the best execution. I don't think you really need Lightspeed unless you're trading with like larger size and the execution is something that really can benefit you. But if you're trading a couple hundred shares on something, it's more important that you have free commission trading. I think something like Lightspeed is not necessary. E-Trade, Charles Schwab, great platforms, good customer service, great tools. I would go with those. Do you think they're more upside on the reopening plays like airlines and tourism sector? Thanks. Yeah, I do. Some of the sectors that I think are going to do well, I'm still bullish on energy. I'm still bullish on financials. And I think the reopening stocks, I think will do well unless we have like another major COVID wave in the winter, which, I hope we don't. You have a lot more people. You have a lot more people that are vaccinated. And I hope that we don't have any type of a surge in the wintertime. A lot of people are expecting some type of an increase in the wintertime. Hopefully we don't. But I kind of feel like we're starting to get over the hump and where we can really start to say the worst is behind us with COVID. And I do think that some of the reopening plays could have a little bit more legs going into the end of the year. Just got home and straight to TTG fam. Nice, Vin. 8K at work, so ready to get fired. Yes, Vin. Great job, man. Great job. That's the beauty of different trading styles, folks. You can make money even while you're working a full-time job. Way to go. Way to really, really, really go. Way to really go, man. Excellent job, Vin. Really great job, dude. Really great job. $8,000 while you're at work. I love it. That's the thing. Like, my trades today were all swing trades, and we nailed it from yesterday. I'm in another swing trade today. So yesterday we got into the Google call options, printed today for 78% gains. And then now today I'm in a new swing trade. Already took 22% gain profit off. I'm still holding some. I'll talk to you guys about that later on the live. But that's one of the beauties about Trading Group. A lot of different trading styles you guys get access to. It's not just me. There's 8 other professional traders that are in there with you during the day. It's not just me. We all have different trading styles. We all have different strategies. We day trade, we swing trade, we trade stocks, we trade options, we do small caps, mid caps, large caps, crypto. We trade it all in TTG amongst all the different moderators. And I think that's a really important part or a really important factor that you guys need to consider, especially when you're new and you're learning, because you can go on YouTube and you can be like, oh, wow, look, this person made 10 grand today. Let me see how they did it. Let me just do what they did. If I do what they did, I'll be able to make 10 grand. That's not necessarily true. A trading style that works for somebody else may not work for you. So it's important when you're first getting started to figure out your trader identity. What type of trader are you? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Do you like stocks? Do you like options? Do you like small caps, mid caps, large caps? Right? So, all right. So that's something that, you have to consider, right? That's something that you guys have to consider. I work full time. How do you guys make money? Do you get notification and sell? Yes, Christian. So here we go. Here's the deal. This is how so many of our members, the majority of our members, do work full-time jobs. So here's how they do it. First and foremost, it's using different types of trading styles. So like, you're not going to be a scalper if you work full-time. I'm not a scalper either. Okay, I'm more of a traditional day trader that also swing trades. A scalper is somebody that buys and sells within seconds or minutes. You can't do that if you work a full-time job. Let's be real. Okay, you have other responsibilities. So you can't be in front of your computer all day long. When you guys join Trading Group, you're going to get access and you're going to get an understanding. You're going to get education when it comes to swing trading, which is buy stock today, sell tomorrow, or any day thereafter, right? Which gives you plenty of time to place those trades even while you're busy at work. The other way is that we have a mobile app with Trading Group. Okay, so it's downloadable on iPhone and Android. It's free with your membership, but you have to be a member, obviously, to download it. Where even if you're not in front of your computer, you can be connected and logged into our chat room through your phone. So this will allow you to actually see our screen share, because all the moderators, we share our screen with you during the day. So you see what we see. You see what we're looking at. You literally see our screen. You also will be able to hear us on the microphone, because all of our moderators, we all talk during the day, real time on the microphone, to let people know what we see, let people know what we're doing, when we're entering a trade. We let everybody know on the microphone before we actually enter a trade, so you can follow along with it if you guys would like to. Then best part is that whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade, you get a real-time push notification that comes through the mobile app. That's why so many of our members are able to make money while working a full-time job. We have members that are on construction sites. They're, active, police and firemen. I'll just ask the question. Here, watch this, guys. Guys, do me a favor. My TTG members, if you guys are a member and you are making money while working a full-time job, do me a favor. Type the letter I in chat right now and tell me what you do for a living. Okay, so type the letter I. Tell me what you do for a living if you guys are making money while working a full-time job with Trading Group. Now, anyone that's not a member and you have a full-time job and you think, you know what, maybe this trading thing's not for me, that's a huge misconception. Just read some of these comments that are coming through chat right now. Victor's a school tech. We got a landscaper, a truck driver, physical therapist, assistant general manager at Marriott. Bruce is in the film business. Glenny, you kill me, man. Medical marijuana caregiver, a teacher, accounting, PetSmart store leader, auto parts sales, and advertising, construction supervisor, an accountant, semi-retired, a salesman who's on the road, construction, truck driver, graphic designer, event marketer, high school algebra teacher, IT help desk, a lineman, insurance agent, automotive mechanic, a rocket technician. Daniel, that's a badass job, man. Okay, a barber. You guys get the hint. You guys can read some of those comments that are coming through chat. That's how all of our members are able to make money, even though they work a full-time job. So again, very common misconception that a lot of people have. They think, oh, I work a full-time job, I can't do this. Wrong. You absolutely certainly can. All these members commenting are your proof. All right, guys, next question. Don't be shy, guys. Type your questions away. Do you think the debt ceiling vote can make the SPY gap up tomorrow? No, I think that's what today was. Manuel. Manuel, the markets came in today and the markets really moved higher on a couple of reasons. This is what I think. I think a lot of today's bounce was technical. You had a technical reason behind this bounce today. We talked about that technical setup yesterday. I'll actually play a clip for you guys from yesterday's live stream so you guys can actually see that technical analysis on why we thought that we were going to get that extension move higher today. But also it was the news about the debt ceiling where it looked like that they were coming to an agreement for an extension on the debt ceiling. Seems like that is kind of a done deal. They just have to physically vote on it, but it seems like we've got enough support to actually get that passed to extend the debt ceiling into December. And then that gives Democrats enough time to work out through a reconciliation process to raise the debt ceiling, or for Democrats and Republicans to go back and forth. And maybe they reduce the spending bill from 3.5 trillion down to like 2 trillion. Maybe that will then bring some moderate Democrat votes to the table, might also bring some Republican votes to the table to actually raise the debt ceiling. So there's a lot of different things that they can do to get the debt ceiling raised, which I think they will do. They either reduce the 3.5 trillion spending down to maybe 2 trillion, and that gets enough people to the table, or the Democrats go through the reconciliation process, which Chuck Schumer says that he doesn't want to do it that way, but that is still a path to raising the debt ceiling. So there are still options on the table for them to do that. I think a lot of the debt ceiling extension, a lot of that was part of the move today. So I don't necessarily think that if the markets move higher tomorrow, it's going to be based on the debt ceiling vote. I think if the markets move higher tomorrow, it's going to be based on the jobs report that comes out tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We're going to get a jobs report number. That number, depending on how good or bad that number is, could move markets up or down. And I think that'll be the catalyst for tomorrow. Can you explain the process of taking partial profits on the way up, down, and how much would you take, et cetera, in a typical situation? Sure, Belfast Trader, it'd be my pleasure. So I teach a tier trading strategy inside of True Trading Group. It's something that I learned working at the hedge fund. I've tweaked it so it relates to my own personal retail trading now at this point. It's a game changer. The tier trading strategy is something that is designed specifically to help you stay in winning trades longer and to help you keep losing trades small. It's so important and so critical in being a consistently profitable trader that I've dedicated actually an entire course to the tier trading strategy in the curriculum inside of True Trading Group. And remember, when you guys join TTG, you get access to every course we have. There aren't any like upsells for courses. You don't have to pay extra to get access to more courses. You get every course when you guys join. So you'll get this course as well. My TTG fam, I think you guys can all verify and confirm everything or how important that tier trading strategy is. I mean, if you guys are making money and becoming a better trader because of the tier trading strategy, sound off in chat, maybe type the number 1, let people know how valuable and how important that tier trading strategy is. And the way that it works, Belfast Trader, is when you enter a trade, before you pull the trigger, you should know 4 things. Where's your stop loss? Where's your first take profit, second take profit, third take profit? Now, at profit target number 1, when that is reached, I sell 25% of my position. When profit target 2 is reached, I sell 50% of my position. And then when profit target 3 is reached, I sell the last 25% of my position. Okay. So the idea there is as the stock works in your favor, you're taking profit off the table, you're reducing your risk, but you're also staying in the trade. So if the stock continues higher, you're still in that trade. And that's the premise behind the tier trading strategy. It's a complete game changer. If you are one of those people that always sells winning trades too soon, The tier trading strategy will help you make more money when you are right. So you have a lot of people that, oh, they're right, they make $100, but if they stayed in, they would have made 300 or 400. This trading strategy will help you do just that. It's a complete game changer. Once you learn how to trade in tiers, I guarantee you will never trade any other way. Type your questions right in chat, guys. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. We'll take a few more questions before we dive in to the trades of the day. We're recapping a 78% gain on Google. We're recapping a 28% gain on SPY, and we're still in the SPY. That trade is still active and open. So I'll walk you guys through that. I'll tell you what I think the market's going to do tomorrow as well. Can you implement tier trading if you trade options and only have a small position? Yes, Jerry. As long as you have more than one contract, you can trade in tiers. If you have two contracts, you can sell one contract at profit target 1. You sell the second contract at profit target number 2. Okay, so as long as you have more than one contract, you can trade in tiers. If you only have one contract, then you can't. You got to sell it all at once. And I recommend people that if you ever find yourself in an option trade where you only have one contract, you take it off at profit target 2. What are your thoughts on rolling a losing option trade if you think it has a chance, but you just got the timing or something on the catalyst wrong? Yeah, Golf Ball Whisperer, I think that's fine. It's something I would recommend only really for experienced traders to do, though. I don't think rolling option contracts forward is something that an inexperienced trader should do because you are increasing your risk when you roll the contract forward. You have to understand that. And I think there's a big difference between rolling forward what is clearly a losing trade versus rolling forward a trade that still looks very good, but you're just running out of time. Very big difference between those two things. And for the most part, inexperienced traders are going to have a more difficult time making that distinction. So I think rolling contracts forward is really only for more experienced traders. How do you trust support levels? Listen, how you trust support levels, first and foremost, it's experience and education, right? You want to be educated enough to identify the difference between a strong support level and a weak support level. And there is a difference. I'll give you a quick little kind of tutorial here on the difference between strong support and weak support. So when you're looking at a support level, okay, one of the things I look for to confirm support is price action at that support level. I want to see a stock when it gets to a support level. I want to see it get off that support level very quickly. Okay. I want to see us get down to support, get off of it very quickly. That shows me that the buying pressure at that support level is aggressive. That's why when it comes into that price range, buyers are so aggressive, the price goes back up very quickly. That confirms my support level. That's an example of strong support. A weak support level is, let's say this is your support level and the stock comes down to that support level and it just kind of does this. Okay. If it does that, that tells me that there's not a lot of buying pressure at that area, because if there was a lot of buying, then when the price came down into this level, it would get off of it quickly as people come in to buy the stock at the support level, right? A support level, all it is a support level is a price range where buyers outnumber sellers. That's all it is. So things you look for to show you that the buyers are outweighing the sellers is you want to see the price move up quickly. When the stock comes down to a support level and sits on it, I call that a lazy stock. You don't want to see lazy stocks. You don't want to see a little lazy stock that just sits on that support level. You want to see get it, touch down, and go. And that'll give you confirmation that that is, in fact, the support level that you can trust. There's a lot of other things we can get into about support levels and resistance levels. I can be on here for an hour alone talking to you about that one topic. It's covered greatly, guys, in all of our courses. You'll get to learn that like the back of your hands as a member of True Trading Group. But for the intents and purposes of the Q&A, that's one quick little way that you can identify the difference between support levels. Hemlock, do you want to explain what Traderpalooza is for those who have not yet joined TTG? I would love to, friendly Canadian. I would love to. Okay, I would love to. Guys, listen. Traderpalooza, okay, let me first explain what Traderpalooza is, and then we have a schedule already set that I'll pull it up, and we'll actually show you guys what that schedule looks like for anyone that has missed it. But Traderpalooza is an all-day virtual training workshop with all of the TTG moderators, and from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, we are going to be covering, okay, it's a 12-hour long session from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. Every hour on the hour, a different moderator will host a different workshop covering a different trading topic. Everything from stocks and options, day trading, swing trading, technical analysis, psychological lessons, risk management, you name it. It's all going to be covered there inside of Traderpalooza. And we actually have a special guest that's going to be joining us on Traderpalooza, Mr. Matt Kors himself, Ape Nation, Moon Gang leader. He's going to be joining us there as well. He's going to be doing a segment on social sentiment and trading meme stocks for people that are really trying to follow that social sentiment trading. We actually have a social sentiment scanner on the TTG platform. It actually shows you what stocks are mentioned the most on different social media platforms. And that's one way to help you get in front of some of these short squeezes. And he's going to walk you through all of that stuff. It's for TTG members only, except Matt's portion. Matt's 1 hour workshop will be available or accessible, I should say, to Matt's community. So Matt's community will be able to attend Matt's section. But if you guys want to attend the other workshops, you have to be a member of True Trading Group. It's free for TTG members. Okay. It's totally free, but you've got to be a member. Okay. It's for TTG members only. I guarantee that you will learn more in one Traderpalooza than you have learned in an entire year watching YouTube videos, reading books, doing this stuff on your own. Okay. So let's actually show you guys maybe some past workshops, some past maybe schedules from Traderpalooza. If we've got them up, Adam, if you got them up, you want to pull them up on the screen, I can actually show some people. So after Traderpalooza, the whole Traderpalooza, it's done live, but it's also recorded and it's posted into our video library. So you can go back and watch them at a later date. So here's our Traderpalooza 1, which is our first Traderpalooza, which is from June of 2020, was the first time that we did a Traderpalooza. You have the Miami Morning Culotta Club with Jason Simmons. You have Intro to Cryptocurrency, Understanding Risk Management, Intro to Options Trading, Trading 101 with Jason Simmons, Marijuana Stocks, Options Trading with Chris Toner. Chris Toner is a professional options trader that's been trading options for 20 years. Okay, so these are just some of, this is Traderpalooza 2, which was in August. We do a Traderpalooza every couple of months. Okay, huge profits, trading small caps, right? Setting up your charts and your scanners. How to profit from sin stocks, which is like the psychedelics and the cannabis stocks. Profit from swing trading. Okay, how to conduct proper deep dive due diligence on a public company. How to stay ahead of the pump with Adam, with the SUGE, to kind of keep yourself, make sure you guys are aware and how to identify pump and dumps so you guys don't get caught in a nasty pump and dump and you're left holding the bag. How to trade high volatile stocks. So like this is just some of our previous topics for Traderpalooza. And then maybe what we can do now, Adam, do you have the schedule for the one? This is going to be Saturday. This Saturday, literally, guys, October 9th, this Saturday, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern. Here's the schedule. At 8 a.m., it's going to be the Miami Morning Culotta Club with Jason Simmons. Then we're going over risk management strategies with myself. Matt is going to be at 10 a.m., how to use social sentiment to trade. Then I'm going to be hosting a workshop on long-term investing and building a long-term portfolio and how to go about that and some of the things that I look for. Then you're going to have a lunchtime Q&A session with all the different moderators. Then you're talking swing trading strategies for those people that work a full-time job with Glennie, trader psychology, how to overcome self-destructive trading patterns. It's all in your head with Jessica Woodard. Then you're going to be going over how to conduct a deep dive due diligence and apply that to long-term investing strategies with Chris Toner, how to grow a small account with options from Momin, how to grow as a trader while working a full-time job with Jay Downing, Okay. And then we're going to be talking about the future of pot stocks and mushroom stocks with Jason, and then conducting proper technical analysis with Jason Simmons. So those are the topics for this month's Trader Palooza. Okay. This is Trader Palooza 6. We've done this 5 times already. This is number 6. It's a complete game changer. My TG fam, if you guys have already been part of a Trader Palooza, you guys can sound off in chat. Tell me if you guys think that Trader Palooza is helpful. If you guys have become better traders because of Trader Palooza, you guys comment in chat. Let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Has Trader Palooza made you a better trader? Type the number 1 in chat if Trader Palooza has made you a better trader. Go ahead, guys. Sound off in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Look at all these number 1s flying through chat, guys. Look at all these number 1s. Look at all these number 1s. I can't wait. I can't wait for Saturday. Another Trader Palooza segment. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Just all day, nonstop, 12 hours of education and learning with my TG fam. I wouldn't have it any other way. Can't wait, guys. Guys, let me ask another question. Yes or no? All right, will be the response for this one. Yes or no? Is Trader Palooza on its own worth the cost of a membership on its own? Yes or no? Do you guys think Trader Palooza is worth a membership to True Trading Group on its own? Yes or no? I want you to tell me how valuable you really think these Trader Paloozas are. And if you're not a member, I would pay attention to the comments that are coming through chat right now, because I'm telling you now, I guarantee you that you are going to learn more during a Trader Palooza than you have learned in the entire last year on your own, reading books or watching YouTube channels. It's a complete game changer. It is literally 12 hours of nonstop education from all of the different pro traders at True Trading Group, covering a variety of those topics. It's a game changer. All right. So there's that, guys. Guys, actually, do me a favor real quick. I'd like to know actually who's on the live stream right now that's not a member, or if you guys are new, just type the number 1 in chat real quick. Type the number 1 if you guys are not a member, or if you're brand new to the TTG live stream. I'd like to know who we have joining us tonight that is new to the fam. We got AC Royal Automotive is brand new. Devin Chidsey, Chris Smith, Brian Power, Constantine Schoof, Stephen Webb, Javier Ferreira, Belfast Trader, Sean Holton, Viv Momo, T. Terrell, Wesley, Fisherman, Master, Amin, Sandy, Lucas Broker, Christian. Great, guys. Awesome. Vic, Dean Leathers. All right, guys, listen. Everyone that's typing the number 1 in chat, okay? Everyone that's typing the number 1 in chat, remember, you guys, if you want to attend Trader Palooza on Saturday, you must be a member, okay? You must be a member. Here's how, okay? The 1-year membership to True Trading Group, it's normally $2,212 for the year. But, okay, tonight, you guys actually will be able to get a 47% discount on that membership, which brings the cost all the way down to just $1,170 when you use the coupon code TTG121 as a special way of saying welcome to the family, because we have been killing it in chat. Literally the next 20 people that sign up by Sunday at midnight Pacific will receive a brand new free laptop, and you're going to be getting 2 small private mentor study group sessions to help you guys get started and to give you that individual attention to help ensure your success. Those small private study groups are a game changer, because you're going to get individual attention from a TTG mod to ask questions, go over lessons that you are struggling with to really help speed up that learning curve. By the way, guys, those extra laptops tonight, those are from Adam's hard work. These laptops will not last. They never do. And we get that sporadically. We have been fortunate since last week, but this will not last. It is literally day to day. So take advantage of these laptops. So again, hear me now. The next 20 people that join TTG with the coupon code TTG121, you'll get a 47% discount on the membership. You'll get a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping costs. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members all over the globe in TTG. And you're going to get those 2 small private study group sessions, but you're also going to be able to attend Traderpalooza on Saturday. Okay, you'll be able to attend Traderpalooza on Saturday and get access to that entire workshop. Okay, we did not have these laptops for an entire month. They are not promised. They're not guaranteed. We've got our hands on these. Thanks to Adam. You guys can say, thank you, Adam. Okay, we didn't have these laptops for a week. The chip shortage is making it very, very challenging actually to get our hands on these electronics in bulk. So I don't know. These are not guaranteed. They kind of are on a day-to-day basis, but we've got 20 of them here now. So if you guys want to attend Traderpalooza, take advantage of that coupon code. You'll get the discount, the two mentor sessions, the free laptop. You'll be able to attend Traderpalooza. It's a game changer. When you guys join, okay, you've got to understand you're getting access to everything, that the core of everything that we have. We're like Netflix. You get access to all of our content. So included in your membership is going to be our 17-course curriculum. It's a simplified version of the education that I received when I worked at the fund. There's beginner and foundation courses if you're brand new. There's advanced courses. There's courses on options, trader psychology, swing trading, crypto. It's all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Remember, there aren't any VIP or pro courses that cost more money. You get access to every single course when you guys join. You're also going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed inside of our chat room. That's going to give you news as soon as it crosses the wire. So you're going to get news the same speed as the pros. You're also going to be able to use Quote Media's full book level 2. So you can start to see all the market makers inside level 2, not just the ones your broker shows you. You'll be able to use TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. One of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. Guys, all this is included. You don't pay extra for any of it. Our simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data. Same simulator that's used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. They use that same simulator. You're also going to use Trade Ideas simulator, which shows you stocks making new highs, new lows that have a surge in volume. And that simulator is actually broken up into small cap, mid cap, and large cap. So no matter what you trade, we make sure that you are always focused on what you are trading. Okay. The Trade Ideas scanner. Okay. That's the Trade Ideas scanner. Sorry, not the simulator, Trade Ideas scanner. You also will be able to use our own proprietary scanner, which has the same functionality as FinViz Elite. You can create and save your own scanner settings, but also TG mods can share their scanner settings with you guys in real time. You have access to our chat room. Our chat room is awesome. Honestly, it's proprietary software. It's not Discord or anything like that, guys. The mods share their screen with you. We're live on the microphone talking to you all day. We're there from pre-market till after hours. You can send us DMs. We can answer your questions during the day. We call out our trades in advance on the microphone. I literally come on the microphone and I say, hey, guys, I'm looking at this stock has support at $10. I'm looking to be a buyer at $10.25. My stop loss would be $9.40. I'm taking profits at $11, $11.50, and $12.25. And I'll say that on the microphone before I enter a trade. And then when my order actually fills, you get a notification in chat with my entry price, my stop loss, my TC fam, true or false. Is that or is that not how it goes down in chat each and every single day? We've been ripping this market to shreds, guys. Honestly, that's why the thumbnail tonight was like, are you not entertained? We have been spot on with all this price action. I'm going to go into the SPY, the Google trade. I'm going to tell you what I think the market's going to do going forward. We'll talk about that in just a moment after I share with you guys some more information on the membership, and then we're going to dive into all of that. We're also sporting about an 84% win rate in chat amongst all the moderators. We're fully transparent. There's a trading journal on our website. We load all of our trading activity to this journal each and every day. It tracks every buy and every sell that our moderators make, so you can follow along with all of those trade alerts. We also do live workshops and webinars. I told you guys about Traderpalooza. Guys, Traderpalooza is a must attend. I'm being dead serious with you. If you're serious about learning how to do this and learn this skill, Traderpalooza is a complete, total game changer. It's a must attend. All right. And then we also do fun giveaways with our members. Every time TTG gets 300 new members, we give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. You just have to be a member, and you guys will have a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla every time we get 300 new members. And then, of course, you have those 2 small private mentor study groups. Your chance to get individual attention from a TTG mod to ask your questions. That's a game changer. Going through courses is great, but wouldn't it be nice to get individual attention from a TTG mod when you have questions about what you're going over in the courses? Real game changer for you guys. There's groups out there that charge $1,500 for what we are giving away for free as part of your teaching membership this Saturday. Literally, there are memberships out there. There's other groups and programs that when they host a live webinar like this, they charge anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 just to attend that webinar. This is totally free with your membership. You don't have to pay anything extra to join and to be part of it. You just have to use coupon code TTG121. You'll get the 47% discount, a brand new laptop, the 2 small private study group sessions, and access to Trader Palooza. And to top things off, I told you TTG is about results. Results matter. And that's why we offer a money-back guarantee as well. Anyone that joins True Trading Group, if you go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend 1 private study group, you get 2. I'm not asking you to attend both. I'm asking you to attend 1. If you do those 3 things and still do not make your membership fee back at least once, I will give you all of your money back. I'm not kidding. I'm dead serious. I put my money where my mouth is. It's right there on the website, so you know you're getting exactly what I'm saying. Results matter. And the fact of the matter is that over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they are making money and they are becoming better traders. If you guys don't believe me, watch this. My TTG fam, if you're making money with True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat right now. Anyone that's not a member, what you should be doing right now is paying attention and counting the amount of number 1s that you're about to see come through the side of the screen right now, because these number 1s are the reason why I'm able to offer you a money back guarantee without breaking a sweat. If my members were doing nothing but losing money, I would not be able to offer you a money back guarantee. I'd be a fool to do so. But if you're willing to commit to True Trading Group, I believe so strongly in the education that we provide that if you get this education and you get this membership and this mentorship and have access to the tools on this platform, and you join a community of traders that truly gives a damn whether you succeed or fail. And it doesn't stop with me and the moderators, or the moderators and I should say. The TTG members themselves are there for one another to help each other through their journey and through their progression as traders, as everyone works towards the same goal, and that is to become consistently profitable traders. So you guys just have to use TTG121. You'll get the 47% discount, a brand new laptop. There's only 20 laptops available. I don't know when we're going to get more. You'll be able to attend Trader Palooza, and you're going to get those 2 small private study groups and a money back guarantee. So what do you guys have to lose? Seriously, you join TTG, you get a free laptop, you don't make back your membership fee, I give you your money back, you get to keep the laptop. It's yours. Worst case scenario, you got a free laptop. If you join, you get a free laptop, who knows, right? You guys join, you can become the greatest trader this world has ever seen, but you're never going to know unless you guys try. You can become consistently profitable and reach financial goals that you never thought were even possible. Weigh that risk reward. Okay? Weigh that risk reward. You have to enter TTG121 and click apply code to get the discount. You'll know you're getting one of the 20 laptops if in your checkout cart you see the laptop at checkout. That's how you know you're getting one. If you go to checkout and there's no laptop there, that means we've sold out. Okay? So that's it, guys. Coupon code TTG121. Take advantage of it. The price of this membership is going up every single day. It is now official. February 1st of 2022, the price of our membership will be $2,500. It's not there yet. We're at $1,170. So take advantage of this coupon code now. Last week, it was $1,106. Today, it's $1,170. Pretty soon, we're going to be over $1,200, $1,400, $1,600, $2,000, $2,500. By February 1st, I'm telling you now, it's $2,500. It's more important, though, you lock in that $1,170 now, because when you join TTG, the price you pay is the price you pay for life. You're locking yourself in at that price. So next year, when your membership renews, and again, I'm confident you're going to want to renew. Why would you not? Over 80% of our members are making money. So why would you not want to renew if you're making money? So that's why this is important, because when our membership is $2,500 next year, so on October 7th of 2022, our membership is $2,500, you will only pay $1,170 to renew. So the price you pay today is the price you're locking in. Okay. Our retention rate, meaning our renewal rate, the amount of members that join True Trading Group and renew after a year, is around 75%. 75% of our members are renewing their membership. That is unheard of in this industry. Our competitors are probably in the 30s, maybe 40s.
It's because of your eyebrows, though. It's not because of the trades.
It's my eyebrows. I know.
Yeah, it's not because of anything.
I honestly, Adam, I think it's because of your memes.
What do you mean by memes?
Your memes. I think it's your memes. I think it's the memes you put up on the YouTube channel. I think that's what keeps people from coming back.
Keeps them from coming back?
Keeps them coming back. I think it's your memes.
Yeah. You know that chair came with a safe word.
It could be Toby. You never know. It could be Toby. For those that don't know, Toby is one of the TTG mascots. He's a little chihuahua. It's Jason Simmons' dog. That is Jason Simmons is one of our Pro Trader moderators. We call him the Professor. Guy's an amazing, amazing educator. He'll be there with Traderpalooza with you guys.
Yeah,
right,
he's
going over some educational stuff.
He's going to shut it down. By the way, tonight's code word is browse.
Browse like eyebrows, or browse like on the internet?
Eyebrows, like eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Okay, so the code word for tonight, guys, is browse.
BROWS. Sean Catal says, I don't want the laptop. Can I pay less? No. Let me explain this real quick. The laptop is already baked into the price. It doesn't really cost us anything. My advice to you, take the laptop, sell it on eBay if you don't want it. You're going to get one anyways. This price is going to go up, and we're not going to be able to continue to get the laptops. So I know, because I'm the one that gets them. It's literally day by day.
Yeah. The membership is already an absolute steal at $11.70. The value you're getting is actually insane.
Yeah, it's a little ridiculous.
So
take advantage of it. I mean, we're also about to launch TTG's TTG 2.0. So that's going to be an entire integrated platform with saved workspaces, and we've been going over this with our members in chat. It's going to be pretty amazing. So for those of you that don't know, we have been actively trying to become accredited. And what we are doing is we have submitted the initial form. We got some feedback. We need to go ahead and resubmit more information. The process is going to take 6 months, 8 months, right? It's not a very quick process, but it is our goal. It's not 100%, but it is our goal to become one of the first accredited online trading platforms.
That's right.
To do this, we are working with ANSI. Let me see if I can pull it up here.
What is that? Someone's asking, what does that mean, Adam? Can you maybe just give? Yeah, someone's asking, what does that mean if you guys are accredited? If you want to maybe.
It carries weight. It means that there's an independent organization that came in and went under the hood and looked at all of our courses and said, hey, this is as legit as it gets. This has real value. And then it's just getting a seal of approval, right? So when you go to a hotel and they're rated 5 stars, right? Or you go to a restaurant and they have 2 Michelin stars or 3 Michelin stars, it's the same type of thing.
Right. We're basically having a third party education panel basically go through all of our educational content and put their stamp of approval to say that they are putting their Michelin star or their gold stamp on all of our educational material.
Right. So is it 100% that we're going to be able to be approved for this? No, it isn't. Do myself, Mike, and so far the people that have looked at it from ANSI, do they feel that it's a good candidate? Yeah, they do. And we feel it is also. That's why we're pushing for it. So that's it. We're very excited. It's going to be a long process, but we're committed to getting it done. So who is an example of your peers? Nobody.
Ooh, I like that. Nobody's in our league, honestly. Nobody provides what we provide.
Be real honest with you. Mike is super confident about his trading and baseball, and I'm super confident about marketing and business. But other than that, I mean, we're not the kind of people that walk around patting ourselves in the back for every little thing that we do. So So I think, yeah, I mean, no, I don't think anyone is considered necessarily a peer in this, or an equal in this. We have something here that nobody else is doing. So that's it.
Cool. All right, guys. So there you have it. Okay. TTG 121 coupon code. All right. So anyone, you guys want to attend Trader Palooza, TTG 121. All right. You'll get the free laptop. There's only 20 of them left. You'll get 2 small private mentor study groups, and you'll get to attend Trader Palooza, and you guys get a money back guarantee. Okay. I told you, results matter at your trading group, folks. Okay. So what I'd like to do now, I'd like to move on to, let's recap some of the action from the day today. I want to go over with you guys. We have a 78% gain on a swing trade on Google call options from yesterday that I want to go over with you first. Now, if you were on my live stream yesterday, I was very, very specific in what I thought the markets were going to do today and how I planned on making money from that action and from that prediction. I have a couple minute clip. It's like a 4-minute clip. All right, from yesterday's live stream that we're going to play for you guys here now. Okay, as soon as we get it up and we're ready for it, we're going to play this clip from yesterday's live stream. If you missed yesterday's live stream, even after I show you this clip and we're done with this live, go back and watch it. It's a great, great, great video. I go over a lot of different material and a lot of different educational stuff about the overall markets, about this Google trade, about the overall setup. It was the analysis I went over with you was about 20 minutes long on that live stream. I'm not going to show you the full 20 minutes. I broke it down. I grabbed a quick 4-minute clip. Let's go ahead right now. Let's play this clip, guys. Again, this is from yesterday's live stream, and then I'll go over and I'll give you guys what happened today. Let's go ahead and play that clip. So I'm thinking to myself, if the markets were strong enough today, okay, to recover from the gap down, so much to push green, and to now push after hours to go test 437, this is telling me right now the buyers are not scared of 437. If buyers were scared of 437, I think today the markets would have rolled over because we had our chance to get back there yesterday. And if all these people came in and got long yesterday, and all of a sudden yesterday was evaporated, we evaporated yesterday's move. So if the buyers that stepped in yesterday were scared about a rug pull, this move doesn't happen today. Remember what we talked about a bull trap? Remember we talked about a bull trap, right? That was this. This was the bull trap. And you see how quickly the rug got pulled out from underneath those people. If this was going to be another bull trap, I feel like this was the opportunity for the rug to get pulled out. With the big gap down, anyone that bought yesterday was down money today. Any person that bought yesterday was down today. And that was not enough to cause people to think that the rug's going to pull out from underneath us and it's time to flush it out. No, instead, the buyers came right back into the market. We held the support level and we climbed all the way back up to go green on the day, to make a new high, to close out the high of the day, and then push up and finish at that resistance level of 437. That to me is a sign of strength. So what I did was I went ahead and I went after Google. Google was one of the stronger stocks in the market today. Okay, we went green very early in the day, and then we created a nice little TTG triangle pattern. Okay, you'll see that we broke above the initial morning high. There's your initial morning high. We broke above it, and then your initial morning high begins to act as an area of support. Okay, so I stepped in here. I bought call options right there on Google. Okay, right there was when I bought, again, the $2,750 strike, October 15th expiration, call option at $37 a contract. Okay, so here was your TTG triangle setup, right? There it is. There's your downtrend line as it makes lower highs. Then we broke out of the TTG triangle pattern and we got this beautiful move higher. And as we started to get that move higher, that's when I started taking a little piece of profit off on those call options because, again, this is a swing trade. This is an extremely volatile stock. Okay, I had 10 of those contracts. All right, this is a very volatile stock. So there you have it. So there's the Google trade. Okay. And now we traded higher after hours. We're up to 2760. And it's all going to come down to what happens here tomorrow. Okay. The other thing that I was looking at here with Google, and the reason why I took this Google trade, okay, is I see a little bit of a reverse head and shoulders here. All right. So what I'll do is I'll point this out to you guys, and this becomes your neckline. Okay. Here's your neckline, and here's your inverse head and shoulders. I'll do a 15-minute chart just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. Here I'm looking at, here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder, and here's your neckline. You'll notice this previous level that was support, once we broke beneath it, it became resistance, it became resistance, it became resistance until today. Today, Google gets above this level, and now you can see we are trading above the neckline. My goal here, okay, my goal here is to see Google stay above 2740 tomorrow and see if we can climb our way to 2800. I'm looking for Google to get to 2800 because 2800 is going to be this gap entry point. So we had a gap down day on the 28th. Okay, you have a gap down day on the 28th. And now that we're above this previous resistance, which was this neckline, I want to see Google push up to 2800. That is what I am looking for. Again, I've already taken profit off on this trade. We're good for 22%. 22% gain locked in already on a piece of the position. Still in some, looking for more tomorrow. There you have it, folks. Okay. There's the analysis from yesterday's live stream. Everybody welcome Sandy. Sandy's the newest member of the TTG family. Sandy, welcome. Welcome to the team. There's 19 laptops left. 19 laptops left. Okay, so you guys just have to use coupon code TTG121. You'll get the discount. You'll get the free laptop, the 2 private study group sessions, the money back guarantee. You'll be able to attend Trader Blues. Everybody welcome Sandy. Okay, so guys, there's that clip from yesterday, right? Last night's live stream, I told you the price action I saw in the overall markets was bullish. And I told you yesterday, and I really recommend if you guys missed yesterday's live, or if you're here for the first time, when we're done here, go watch yesterday's live. Go watch that full breakdown. I broke down the SPY, Google, the NASDAQ. I broke down all those to explain to you why I went after this trade. It could not have worked itself out any more perfectly. All right. And what I want to show you guys now, okay, is I'm going to pull up my charts. And now, because you saw the charts from yesterday, from last night, let's pull up Google. Do you guys see where Google went to today? Can you guys see this? Do you guys see what this price is? Can anyone see what price this is? Does anyone see what price this is? You can type it right in chat. Does anybody see what price that is? Folks, 2,800. You literally just heard me yesterday. You literally just heard me on that video clip. That video clip, I told you, I think Google goes to 2,800 tomorrow. That's today. Where did Google go today? $2,803. This stock exploded today. Good for a 78% gain. Absolutely picture perfect trade. We could not have called this any better. So what did I do? Markets opened. I took a piece of profit right there at $55 a contract. And then my final take profit came off the table right there as my final target was reached. Okay. My final target was reached, and that was good. I'll give you guys the exact trade. $66 on the button was the fill. Okay. So here I took profit at, I remember I bought these contracts for $37 a contract yesterday. I sold some at 41, some at 45. Today, I sold more at 55 and my final take profit was flat at $66 a contract as Google got to my target of $28. It could not have worked itself out any more perfectly. Monster trade. Absolute monster trade. Okay. So there you have it, guys. Congratulations, all my TTG fam. Okay. Congratulations, all my TTG fam. Okay. That capitalized on this Google trade. A lot of members, you understand the Google options are expensive. $37 a contract is expensive, right? One contract would cost you $3,700. So a lot of people, they bought options in the SPY, they bought options in the Qs, which is the NASDAQ, to take advantage of this move. And you guys can see the same thing. The Qs, big move higher today. The SPY, big move higher today. And we were able to capitalize on that price action beautifully. And that's the Google trade. So again, congratulations, guys. If you made money, if you guys made money on that call today or from yesterday, whether it was Google, the SPY, the Qs, sound off in chat. Let me know how you guys did. I love to hear about it. I love to hear about how you guys did. So sound off in chat. Okay. Sound off in chat if you guys were able to capitalize on that trade. All right. There you have it. Okay. So there's the Google trade. And again, please guys, go back and watch the video from yesterday, which actually that analysis was absolutely spot on. Okay. Spot on. Now, Jeffrey Aranda says, since watching your live streams, my account is up 90%, only barely 1 month, and I'm not even a member yet. Jeffrey Aranda, if that is not proof that you need to get your butt in chat and join this TTG family, brother, if you're already up 90% on your account, imagine what you could be doing as a full member. It's borderline insulting that you're not a member of TTG with your account being up 90% just from watching live streams. Honestly. Okay. Raina Patel just joined TTG fam this past Sunday. I have not received the laptop yet, but I received confirmation that it is on its way, and I've already made my membership feedback this week. I think I'll stick around. Smiley face. Awesome. Oh, way to go, Dana. Great job. Dana said, Mike, I made money on the way up and the way down. Great job, Dana. Great job, brother. Mark Adams ripped off an $8,000 profit, 130% gain on calls for Ken, $2,000 for Peter Liu. This is just awesome. 210% for Keith on QQQ calls. Oh, way to go, Barbara. Barbara with the debit spread on the Google trade for good for a $700 gain. Great job. 45% gain for Eric. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Great job, everybody. Memphis Doc, 350 up to $1,000. Great job, guys. This is awesome. I love it. I love seeing this. I love when you guys comment. You guys tell me how you're doing. I really do. Really, really do. Excellent. Okay. So there you have it, guys. There's the Google trade. That's where I made the bulk of my money today, right? 78% gain on that final take profit was a thing of beauty. Now, let me tell you what else I did today. All right. Let me tell you what else I did today, because now I'll take you guys over to the SPY. All right, now I'll take you guys over to the SPY. Now, yesterday, we were very, very specific. Roderick, everybody welcome Roderick. My man, newest member of the TTG fam, Roderick. We have 18 laptops left. TTG121 coupon code, guys. Use it before it is gone. Remember, the price goes up tomorrow. Price is $11.70 tonight. Last week, it was $11.06. It's $11.70 today. It's going to continue to climb until we hit 2,500 on February 1st. But there's only 18 laptops left, and Traderpalooza is Saturday. What are you waiting for? Seriously, what are you waiting for? You just watched a video from yesterday of me telling you that I thought Google was going to go to 2,800 today. The stock went to 28.03. We caught a 78% gain. You have a money back guarantee. I'm giving you a free laptop. I'm giving you 2 small private study group sessions. You're attending Trader Palooza. You're getting a 47% discount. What are you waiting for? Seriously. I'm not sure what else that we can do here. If this is not enough to get you guys to get serious about your education and your financial future, I don't know what else will. Maybe you'll just continue to listen to people on Reddit and Twitter. I don't know. But if you're serious about actually learning this skill, the time to act is now. Take advantage of all these things that are available to you right now. You guys have a money back guarantee. What do you have to lose? Seriously. That's how confident I am in this program. I stand behind every single thing that we say here. True Trading Group is not just empty words and broken promises. It is all about results, and results matter. Okay? So that's the Google trade. Now let's talk about the SPY. Okay? Because what else did I then do today? Because I'm crazy. Right? I'm a madman. Okay? I'm a madman. So what happened on the SPY? The SPY got right up to the level of resistance that we talked about yesterday. Again, go back and watch the live stream from yesterday, because I told you that this is where I thought the market was going to go if we got above 437. On last night's live stream, I told you 437 was a key level of resistance. Okay, there's a resistance at 437 right there, very clear. And I said to you yesterday, if we get above 437, I think the markets can really make a strong push higher and get up to like that 441, 442 area. What did we do today? Can anyone see what this price is? Can anyone see what this price is? What's that price? 441.50. Come on. 441.50. That's exactly what we said on the live stream last night. We got there. We called this yesterday. So what did I do? The markets got up to that 441.50. Resistance, resistance. We can't break above it, right? Look at this. Look at this resistance. Can't get above, can't get above, can't get above, can't get above. Then all of a sudden, what happens? Bang. We break beneath VWAP. VWAP is this orange line you see on my screen. You see how it was acting as an area of support, right? This was a battle. This was a battle between VWAP support and 441.50 resistance. One of these levels had to break, either the resistance at 441.50 or the support at VWAP. Okay? We broke beneath VWAP right after 2 o'clock. And what did I do? I went ahead and I bought put options on the SPY. The 440 strike, October 15th expiration put option at $3.96. Okay, right there, $3.96. I bought SPY put options, and we started to get, I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart just so I can show you, and we start to get a nice fade into the afternoon. So here's the actual entry on the puts. Okay, there's your entry on the puts. Okay, that's the time that I entered the trade. And then look what happens. Bang, bang. We have this nice little rollover going into the close. We drop right down to the low of the day, and we just start taking profits off the table. My first take profit comes off the table, guys, right there at $4.36. And my second take profit comes off the table, okay, right before the closing bell, right there. My second take profit off the table at $4.84. And I'm still holding some of this position, okay? I'm still holding about 30% of my original position size, looking to see if the markets move lower tomorrow to test 437. Okay, I want the market to go down and test 437. Okay, I want us to test 437. 437, okay, was this major resistance level. Okay, I want us to go down and test that level tomorrow. Okay, I want us to go down and test that level tomorrow. Now, here's the thing though. The reason why I'm not holding my full position, I'm only in 30%. Okay, I'm in 30% of my size. What did I notice today? A couple of things that I noticed. One, we could not get above a key resistance level at 441.50. Couldn't get above it. So that's sign number one. Sign number two, the 10-year treasury yield continued to push higher today. Got all the way to 157. If the 10-year gets up to 1.6, I think that puts more pressure on technology stocks tomorrow. I think tech stocks will be red, and that should pull the SPY down with it, looking at 437. But here's the kicker. You have a jobs number coming out tomorrow morning. Now, depending on what that jobs number is, can move the markets up or down. Now, this is called headline risk. I have no idea what that jobs number is going to be. Because of that headline risk, I'm not carrying my full position overnight because that's a coin flip. And that data is going to come out pre-market when I can't trade the options. So if that data comes out and the markets move higher, I'm stuck in my option trade until the market opens at 9:30. Okay? Until the market opens at 9:30. So knowing that added layer of risk with this piece of economic data coming out tomorrow, I lightened up my position. I sold about 70% of my size, good for a 22% gain thus far. Still holding about 30% of my position, looking for 437 as my final take profit target. And just like 437 used to be a key level of resistance, I would now look for this area to be support. 436, 437. That's where I'm looking for us to get down to, test that level, and then I would expect a bounce from there, at which point I will take my final profit off the table on these put options. Or if that jobs number comes out tomorrow and markets move higher and treasury yields move lower, which that is possible, I'll get out of the rest of that position. I'll still walk away with a profitable trade thanks to the profit that I took off the table this afternoon. And that's my game plan for tomorrow. So a bit of an outlier with that economic data coming out. The jobs numbers are coming out tomorrow. That can move markets up or down. We'll see what happens. Okay? We'll see what happens. Okay, guys? So there you have it. All right? And that's it. That's what we're looking at for tomorrow, guys. And I mean, I really got to just stop for a second. And it's like, you know, I really am. I'm not one. And if you guys follow my channel for a while, then you guys really do know this. I'm not one to come on these live streams. I don't boast. I don't brag. I don't talk about how much money that I made. I don't do that stuff. But I can't even begin to describe how spot on we have been with regards to price action in the overall market since the beginning of September. We have not missed on directional calls in the overall market since the beginning of September. As this volatility has picked up, it's provided tremendous opportunity for active traders. You're getting the SPY and the NASDAQ are making huge moves intraday, and that's causing huge moves in large caps that are giving you guys amazing opportunities. But you have to understand how to trade options if you have a small account. A lot of people don't have the capital to trade, you know, Apple or Facebook or AMD, Nvidia, Roku, or any of those stocks, but you do have the capital to trade options on those stocks. If you guys don't know how to trade options, and please don't just go open up a Robinhood account and start buying call and put options without knowing what you're doing. Options are extremely risky. You can lose a lot of money very quickly, but you can also make a lot of money very quickly. You have to understand what you're doing. The TTG platform will teach you guys how to trade options. We have professional option traders that are in TTG calling out trades and giving out direction and answering questions. And then Trader Palooza on Saturday will be going over a lot of that material as well. Not to mention there's an entire section of our curriculum that is dedicated to options trading. This stuff is important for people that have a small account, that work a full-time job. If you guys think that, oh, I can't make money if I work a full-time job, I can't make money if I only have a couple $100, it's not true. There's a lot of members that you just saw in chat that were commenting about that made money on this call by means of options and by means of a swing trade. You just have to get the education to understand what type of trades you should be making for your own financial situation, but also your own lifestyle and your personality. Those factors will dictate the type of trader that you're going to be and the style and the strategy that you're going to implement. These are important factors that you have to consider when you guys are going to get involved in the market. You can't just blindly follow someone you see on YouTube because they made money. Just because they made money doesn't mean their style will work for you. You've got to find your own style that works for you. And that's why getting exposure to a variety of different trading styles is important. And this is what you're going to learn as a member of True Trading Group. So again, if you guys have ever been serious about this, and I'm telling you now, this volatility is amazing. This has been going back from last year all the way up till today. This has been some of the best trading environment that I've ever seen because there's so much opportunity everywhere. It's like no matter where you look, there's opportunity. There's small caps, there's mid caps, there's large caps, there's the overall indexes. There's so much going on. Take your pick. You just have to understand how to identify the opportunity and then have the confidence to actually execute on it. Stop doing this stuff on your own. I come on here every single day and I tell you what I'm doing tomorrow. How am I going to make money tomorrow? I'm not telling you, hey, look what I did 2 days ago. Just go watch all of my live streams for the last 5 weeks. Every single day, I'm like, guys, this is what I think is going to happen tomorrow. I'm going to buy calls. I'm going to buy puts. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And we have been right day in and day out. Get in chat. Seriously. Take advantage of this opportunity that's in the markets. I've been doing this for 17 years. Okay, I started trading like before I graduated college, and I got really serious, obviously, when I graduated and I started working at the fund. This is some of the best action that I've seen. Get your butts in chat, seriously. Okay, so there we have it. All right, so that's that. That's the SPY. That's a Google trade. Congrats, my fam, that you guys nailed that. I love you all. All right, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll be in chat. I'll be there with you guys in the morning when the jobs number comes out. I'll tell you guys what I think it means for the market and then where we go from there. All right. Now, what I will now do is I'll show you guys the platform. Okay, so anyone that's interested in the membership, okay, stick around here. I'm going to show you guys the platform. Remember that 1 year membership, it's normally $2,212, but from now until Sunday Pacific midnight, you can get a 47% discount. It brings the price all the way down to $1,170, and you're going to get a brand new free laptop the next 18 people that join, and you're going to get 2 small private mentor study group sessions, game changers to help speed up that learning curve. As a member of True Trading Group, you're going to get access to the top premium trading tools and products because you bundle them all together. You know what? Before I get into this, before I get into showing you the platform, I have a question for everyone. Seriously. Type the number 1 in chat if I told you I have the best stock pick I've ever had, and you need to buy in for $11.70, and you had an 80% chance of making your money back and making 7 to 10 times that investment. Would you do it? Type the number 1 in chat. I'll say it again. If I said to you, I have the best stock pick that I've ever had, you need to buy it you need to put $11.70 into that stock pick, and you have an 80% chance of making your money back and making 7 to 10 times that investment. Would you do it? Type the number 1 in chat. Good. Good. Look at all these number 1s that are coming through chat. Good. Okay. You should do that, right? If you had an 80% chance, okay, if you had an 80% chance of making your investment back and making 7 to 10 times that investment, you should make that. You should make that investment. Folks, that's True Trading Group. Over 80% of our members are making money, making back their membership fee, and making on average 7 to 10 times that investment. within their membership. Those are the stats. I told you results matter in True Trading Group. Okay. You also have the money back guarantee. Okay. You have a money back guarantee. And we've actually calculated the lifetime refund rate in True Trading Group. So I told you, anyone that goes through all the courses, passes the quizzes, and attends one study group, if you do those three things and still don't make your membership fee back at least once, I will give you a refund. Since True Trading Group went live to the public in 2017, our refund rate is exactly 1.56%. Since we went live to the public, our refund rate is 1.56%. We have never turned anyone down for that refund as long as you've completed those three tasks. Now, listen, if you join TTG and you don't do a single thing, you don't go through any courses, you don't attend any workshops, you literally do nothing, no, I'm not going to give you a refund because you didn't try. But if you work and you put in the time, the energy, and the effort, and you don't make your membership fee back at least once, well, then that means my platform and my education failed you. And if it does, I will give you your money back. That is my word. It's available. It's on the website. You see exactly what I'm saying to you guys here. Those are the stats. Now, I share that number with you, not just to show you how infrequently people request a refund, but also to show you it's real. The refund is real. Do those three things. You don't make back $11.70. I'm giving you your money back. It's that simple. The choice is up to you now. I can't do the work for you. You have to be willing to do it a little bit yourself. Now, okay, here's the deal. All right. When you join True Trading Group, you guys are going to get access to the top premium trading tools and products because we bundled them together as part of your membership. So included with your membership will also be Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service directly inside of your chat. So you can get news at the same speed as professionals do. So you can act at the same speed as professionals do. You're also going to get Quote Stream's full book level 2. Shows you all the market makers inside of level 2. Then you're going to get access to ETNA Simulator, which is the same simulator that is used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. This will let you guys trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you learn. Then you're going to get the Trade Ideas Scanner that lets you see what stocks are making new highs, new lows, which ones have a surge in volume. It's broken up into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we can make sure you're focused on the best stocks and the hottest stocks during the day. Then you have our own proprietary scanner that has the same functionality as FinViz Elite. The best part about this scanner, guys, you can actually click on any one of these stocks and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports that will show you all of the analyst ratings for that particular stock. Wouldn't it be nice before you buy a stock to see how many analysts also believe that this is a good buy? This will tell you that information. That can help you make your trading and investment decisions. You'll also get access to our social sentiment scanner. This will scour Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter and tell you what stocks are being mentioned the most, the size of the float, the percentage of the float that is short. All of this information is available at your fingertips. It used to be something that really only the professionals on Wall Street had access to. Not anymore. We are leveling the playing field. We are providing retail traders with the same tools as the professionals. This is what you're getting when you join TTG. All of this is included. You don't pay extra for any of it. Then you have TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. One of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders, yours free. Then you get a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders currently sporting about an 84% win rate. I told you, we're fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our site that tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make so that you guys can see literally how you'd be performing if you were following along with these trade alerts. Then you get 2 small private study group sessions. I told you about that. You'll be able to get individual attention to ask questions to a TTG mod, help speed up that learning curve. And then the courses. You get access to the entire curriculum, guys. There aren't any VIP or pro courses that cost more money. You join TTG, you get access to the beginner and the foundation courses, the advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. It's in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. And then in addition to the courses, there's a video library that has over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops that we've conducted, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO. Trader Palooza will be in this video library once it is completed on Saturday, October 9th. You have to be a member in order to attend, guys. All right. And of course, you have access to our chat room. The chat room, the moderators and I, we share our screen with you. We're live in the microphone. We're answering questions. You can DM us during the day. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours. Now listen up, because the price of our membership is going up. I told you it was $11.06 last week. It's $11.70 today. On February 1st, it'll be $2,500. The value that you're getting at $11.70 is insane, because that Benzinga newsfeed alone, if you did not join True Trading Group, but you went to Benzinga and said, I want your pro newsfeed with the Squawk Box feature, that's what we have. They would charge you $1,400 a year for that newsfeed. Well, we've negotiated deals with them to where we can get that on our platform for significantly cheaper. You get that included with your membership when you pay $11.70. That's not to mention everything else. The quote media, the full book level 2 is $990 a year. The is $90 a year. The quote, the simulator is $300, and the TradingView charts is $600. That's $3,200 on those 4 things alone. That's not even considering everything else that I just said to you. Broderick, everybody welcome Broderick. We have 17 of those laptops left, guys. Everybody welcome Broderick. Broderick, welcome to the TTG family. 17 of those laptops left, guys. Everybody welcome Broderick. Guys, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we have to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. Results matter at True Trading Group. $11.70. Take advantage of this deal while it still lasts. It comes out to like $3.20 a day, folks. That's like a cup of coffee from Starbucks. That's less than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. You have the money back guarantee. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. If you don't make $11.70 back at least once, I'll give you all your money back. A full refund. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I welcome, encourage, and invite you all to go read those reviews. Well over 1,300 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review. Go read them. There's no better referral than that of your peers, folks. Go read them. So again, coupon code TTG121. You'll get a 47% discount. Price goes up, right? You're going to get a free laptop. We cover the shipping cost for you. You're going to get 2 small private mentor study groups. Really help speed up that learning curve. Get individual attention from a teaching mod. Attend Trader Palooza. 12-hour-long virtual training session on Saturday. And you get a money-back guarantee. If that is not enough to get you guys to pull the trigger on your own education and invest in yourself, nothing ever will. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. You're the best. I love you all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications so you guys never miss out. I will let you guys know, okay, what I end up doing with this trade. Set your reminders now. Tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Eastern, we will be interviewing Michael Saylor, okay, CEO of MicroStrategy, leading voice in the crypto space. Michael Saylor will be right here tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Eastern, live. Right here. Set your reminders. Don't miss it. It's going to be a phenomenal interview. We're going to be talking crypto. We're going to be talking Bitcoin. We're going to be talking altcoins. A lot to unpack, a lot to discuss with Michael, one of the leading voices of the crypto space. I can't wait. You guys make sure you're here at 4:30 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, live. Michael Saylor interview going down. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. I love you all. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great night.